morning, everyone. Before the class, I want to ask everybody, have you ever seen your own traditional costumes? Please raise your hand. Okay, Alice. And you need to tell me when did you see it and how does it look like, okay? So when did you see it? Oh, you say you see it in the wedding. Good. And how does it look like? Oh, it's red. Okay, good. It's like this, right? Okay, good. Okay, next, who can tell me which Aboriginal group it is? Good, it's Taiwan. Okay, and the next question, how many colors are there in this pattern? Oh, I hear 4. Okay, let's count it together. First one is gray. Here, gray. And the second one is white. Here, white. Good. And the third one is brown. Yeah, here's brown. Okay. And the fourth one is black. Here, black. Good. So it's correct. It's 4 colors on this pattern. Very good. Okay. And I have another question. What can you see in this pattern? What can you see? Can you tell me what is this? Oh yeah, very good. Snack. It's like a snack, right? Okay. Everybody, snack. Snack. Good. And who can tell me what is this? This. Oh, I hear somebody say 菱形. Very good. Okay, 菱形 in English we call it diamond. 那个形状是不是很像钻石？所以是 diamond. Okay, everybody, diamond. Diamond. Good. Okay, after looking for different Aboriginal traditional costumes, I want to ask you to design your own totem. And this time, I will ask you to finish it by printing. Okay, so look at this picture. Can you guess what is print? What is printing? Oh, you say 印刷 and you say 画画. Okay, let's see. What is print? Print is like a stamp. 像盖印章一样. Why? Why is it like a stamp? Because first, you need to apply some color on the board. And then, apply it on the paper like this. So, your work will be like this. Okay, and this time we will use this. 新树脂板, this, to finish our work. Okay? And we will call it board. Everybody board. Good. Okay? And we will use 3 tools to finish our work. But it's optional. You can choose to use pencil. Or you can choose to use pen. And you can use grabber too. Okay? But if you don't have grabber like this, you need to worry about it. Because you can still finish your beautiful work while using pencil and pen. Everybody has pencil and pen, right? Okay, good. So now I'm going to teach you how we carve the board. First, take out your tool. Pen, pencil, grabber is optional, it's okay. Oh, okay. When you take out your tool, you need to carve it. Okay, carve the board. Okay, so can you tell me, will it have color in this part? Because when we carve the board, this part will be the inside part of the board. Next, you need to apply some color on the board like this. Okay? Will it have color in the inside part? No, it won't have color in the inside part. It only have color here and here. Okay, so remember it. We don't have color in the inside part, okay? Okay, so next time you need to bring what? Can everybody tell me? What do you need to bring? Pencil or pen or rubber? Okay, very good. And this is the end of our class. See you next time.
So these are the 6 things that we need to make a rabbit. So let's review one more time, okay? Plastic board, paint, paper, iron, roller, and scraper. Great. So I'm going to introduce the 6 steps of making a rabbit. There are 6 steps, so you need to listen carefully, okay? If you don't understand or you have any problems, just raise your hand and I will explain one more time, okay? And after I explain the 6 steps for you, you can do your own rabbit. But before that, you cannot take, you cannot move, you cannot touch the tools and materials on your desk. Do you understand? Great! Now I'm going to introduce the first step, step 1 of making a rabbit. Step 1. Place the pen to the plastic board. So repeat after me. Place the pen to the plastic board. Okay, show me your pen. Show me your pen. You can take your pens. So that is pen. Okay, put down. Show me your plastic board. Show me your plastic board. Okay, great. Put down your plastic board. So now you know the word pen and you know the word plastic board, right? So I'm going to introduce what is press. Press is that you squeeze this very hard, like this. So that is press. So press in Chinese is 挤, 对, 挤. So you have to press the pen to a plastic board. So now, step 1 is you take out your pen and you squeeze it on your plastic board. Remember, you can just only press one line. Just one line, okay? Don't waste the pen. So now, do you understand the step 1? Great. So I'm going to introduce step 2, okay? So now, everyone, the step 2. Step 2 is use the scraper to mix the paint. Repeat after me. Use the scraper to mix the paint. Great. So now take out your paint. Show me your paint. Great. Put down your paint. And show me your scraper. Right. So take out your scraper. Great. Put down your scraper. So now you know the word scraper, you know the word paint. I'm going to tell you what is mix. Mix is when you combine 2 things together. One more time, combine 2 things together. It will become a new thing, right? So mix in Chinese is 混合. Great. So mix the paint in Chinese is 混合颜料. Great. But we only have 1 paint, so we cannot combine 2 paints together, right? So the meaning mix the paint here is, look at me, pay attention. you only have one pen, just one line on your plastic board, right? This is step 1. So you have to mix the pen like this. Okay, you have to let the plastic board full of paint. So you have to like this. So look at this picture. We have to let the paint full of the plastic board, right? So that is step 2. So do you understand? If you don't understand, just raise your hand and I will explain one more time. Okay, just raise your hand. Don't be afraid. Great. So let's repeat one more time, okay? Use the scraper to mix the paint. Great. So now the next step is step 5. Great. So step 5, take the paper to cover the board. Repeat after me. Take the paper to cover the board. Great. So now take out your paper. Take out your paper. Show me your paper. Everyone has paper, right? Okay. Put down your paper and take out your board. Take out your board. Okay. Put down your board. Okay. So now take the paper to cover the board. It means you take your paper and you cover it. You cover the board. Just like this. Okay? 但是你们这样子压，是不是会担心这边有没有鸭子？这边有没有鸭子？ So now we need a tool. So what is the tool? Baron, right? So take out your baron. Okay, show me. Great. That step is step 6. Place the baron on the paper. Repeat after me. Place the baron on the paper. So you take your baron and you place it on the paper. Great. So now we just taught place before, right? Do you remember? Yes. So the next step is place the baron on the paper. So like this. Like this. Okay. You have to place it very hard. So now, does everyone know how to make a rabbit? Are you sure? Okay, you look excited. So now, you can do your own rabbit. But if you have any problem or you don't understand, just raise your hand and I will help you. Okay?